So, good morning everybody, myself Acharya Vishvendra, and today I am going to discuss a worksheet on terminal speed. So, let's begin working on that. This is the worksheet on terminal speed. So, there is a question that a solid sphere has radius r, density d1, and it is put in liquid of density d2. We need to find, first question is volume of a sphere. So, we know that volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube, so that will give the volume. Next is mass of a sphere. Mass is density into volume, so this will be the mass of sphere. Next is apparent weight of a sphere in liquid. So we use n as apparent weight, and after calculations the apparent weight comes to be mg into 1 minus d2 by d1. So we can say that apparent weight is actual weight into 1 minus d2 by d1, where d2 is density of liquid and d1 is density of the solid. Next is terminal speed. So terminal speed is 2g r square by 9 eta into d1 minus d2. Next question is graph of terminal speed and r. So terminal speed is proportional to r square, so the graph will be a parabola. Next we have graph between vt and r square. So take r square as x, so we can say that vt proportional to x, so graph will be a straight line. Then we have vt versus eta, so vt proportional to 1 by eta, so graph will be rectangular hyperbola. Next we have graph between vt and 1 by eta. So 1 by eta can be taken as x, so we can say that vt proportional to x, so graph will be a straight line. Then we have vt and d1 graph, so that will again be a straight line. Then we have vt versus d2 graph, that will again be a straight line but with the negative slope. Next is we have two balls have radii r1 r2, density d1 d2, and dropped in a liquid. The first question is ratio of volumes, so that is v1 by v2, so we have r1 cube by r2 cube. And next is ratio of the masses, so the ratio of masses is d1 v1 by d2 v2. So on solving the questions, we have d1 by d2 into r1 cube by r2 cube. Next is ratio of the terminal speeds. So we know that terminal speed is proportional to r square into d1 minus d2. So ratio of terminal speeds will be r1 square by r2 square into d1 minus d upon d2 minus d, where d is density of the liquid. Next we have dimension of terminal speed. So terminal speed is itself speed, so its dimension will be m0 L1 t minus 1. Next question is SI unit of terminal speed. So the SI unit is meter per second. Next is CGS unit of terminal speed. So it is centimeter per second. Next is dimension of eta.